In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube TV account so you can permanently remove your subscription and associated data. Let's get started. Whether you're canceling your subscription or no longer need the service, deleting your account is a straightforward process. To begin, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Account section, where you'll find options related to your subscription and personal information. If you want to cancel your subscription first, go to Settings, Subscriptions, and select Cancel Membership. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision and stop future charges. Once your subscription is canceled, you can proceed to delete your YouTube TV account entirely. Since YouTube TV accounts are tied to Google accounts, you'll need to delete the associated Google account if you no longer wish to use it. Go to the Google Account Management page, myaccount.google.com, sign in, and navigate to Data and Privacy. Delete your Google account. Follow the instructions to permanently remove your account and all linked data, including YouTube TV. If you don't want to delete your entire Google account but still want to remove YouTube TV access, simply unlink it by signing out of the app or website. You can also revoke access through your Google account permissions page under third-party apps. Keep in mind that deleting your account is irreversible, so ensure you've downloaded any important data, such as DVR recordings, before proceeding. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope deleting your YouTube TV account was simple and clear for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.